These oil seals are not in critical condition, but I'll change it anyway to the new ones. To make it better standing on the place, I covered it with the engine sealant. This bearing is rusty and bad working, so I got it out of the engine by pressing plasticine into the bearing shaft port. Next goes cleaning of the bearing place and installing of good working same size bearing. The bearing enters the place without hitting the place, which points on larger diameter of the bearing place than it should be. So I covered the bearing external side with the Superglue. The way isn't the most reliable one, but this is all I can do at the moment. Bearings in the gearbox cover are not okay too. The one which is already there badly stands on its place, and I can throw it off the cover with shaking the cover. I covered the bearing external side with the Superglue, and now it stands good. This is the bearing which was here. It is rusty, and firstly I intended to change it to the new one of same size, but the bearing easily enters the bearing place without hitting the place. I had to cover the bearing with Superglue. Again, considering the bearing nailed to its place by Superglue hardly will remain stiff standing for long, I'll place there this one bearing, which is not new, but is much better than the previous one. By the way, the bearing is from my old Soviet chainsaw named Druzhba. This means friendship in English. The gearbox cover has missing body part. When it is installed, that place looks like this. I don't like it. Dust easily gets into the CVT through the hole. I repaired it with the plastic cover, taken from empty engine oil box.